And hello there. Inising niyo ako, kuda kayo ng kuda about parliamentary immunity. Alam niyo ba, pinagsasabi niyo. Number one, alam niyo, kung gusto niyo makulong si Meow Meow, hindi mangyayari yun. Number one, mali sinasabi yung parliamentary immunity. Hindi porket nakita niyo ng parliamentary immunity ang nakalagay dun sa Constitution, yun na yun. I-relate niyo siya dun sa isang article ng Constitution na may freedom of arrest ang mga congressman at senador for offenses not more than 6 years imprisonment. Oo, sige, pwedeng kasuhan yan, pero makukulong ba siya habang nakaupo si Meow Meow? Hindi. Sususpend nyo forever. Pero technically, na-elect siya, congressman siya, hindi mo siya pwedeng ikulong habang siya ay nasa posisyon. Unless lang if you're going to terminate to, maybe expel him. But while he's congressman, you cannot just imprison him because he has freedom from arrest, okay, under the 1987 Constitution. At let's assume na natuloy nga yung libel na yan, okay? Well, what I can say is, the Supreme Court has been lenient for the last few years, even dun sa People versus Baca, and eventually also dun sa People versus Soliman, that sometimes the courts will just, impose a fine if your case is about libel. Okay?